Please welcome Zachary Richard.
Bonsoir, mesdames et messieurs. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Je m'appelle Zachary Richard et j'ai l'honneur de lancer le bal ce soir en compagnie de mes deux collègues Bill Dillon and Rick Howarth. We'd like to present a song that I learned about 35 years ago that I've been singing ever since, in tribute to one of the greatest songwriters of modern times. The song is called Bird on a Wire. Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in the midnight choir, I have tried my own way to be free. Like a worm on a hook, like a knight in an old-fashioned book, I have saved all my ribbons just for thee. And if I have been unkind, I hope that you can let it go by. And if I have been untrue, I hope you know it was never to you. Like a bee, stillborn, like a beast with his horn I have torn. Everyone reached out to me, but I swear by this song, and I swear by all that I have done wrong, I will make it all up to thee. I saw a beggar leaning on a wooden crutch. He said to me, why do you ask for so much? And I saw a pretty woman standing in the darkened door. She said, why not ask for more? Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir, I have tried in my